So I left off when we first got to Artes, and this is us actually in the lobby when you first come in. I was just taking a look around. They have different houses in this hotel, so we actually stayed in the house of music. It reminds me of Hard Rock, like that kind of reminds me of Hard Rock. That's where we got married. So this is actually the members lounge. We are members of Hotel Xcaret, and this is our room tour. This is the room tour. I love a room. We got the swim up garden. In this room, they just have like a desk area where you can get ready, a couch. They have a bed. They also have a jacuzzi and a shower. I did not even show you guys. There were two separate locations. This is me in the mirror. And then they also have like this outside area, which basically it's like a swim up. So I love this room. This is the second time staying here. Now it was time to go get ready. It's a pool day, so we had to go to the pool. We first got there. It was time to party. I was like, yeah, let's go. So we left and we went to the first pool, which was like on the rooftop. They have so many different pools, so I don't even know which one is which, but this one was on the rooftop of our building. And this was us later on. We decided we were going to go get something to eat. Like a few hours later, we had been in the pool. And this is the first restaurant we went to the first night. I didn't even record all the food, but this is called I think San Juan Mercado. And they had like literally every single thing was fresh. So if you go here for sure, that's a pig leg. Everything's fresh.